know what? I get it. Us guys are incredibly hard to buy for. So if you're looking for a great gift that can be delivered in minutes, then keep on watching our honest review of Flavia, and we'll tell you exactly what you need to know before buying this for yourself or as a gift for the dude or woman in your life. Keep on watching. All right, now I had the chance to try out Flavier. I think it's Flavier. I always get Flavor Flav messed up in my head. But they say that they can refine your palate from spirits all over the world. And it's a really fun idea. And they thought of really everything because do you know what the guy in your life likes to drink? Yeah, sure, you can maybe say like he likes Jack and Coke, but does he like scotch or bourbon or gin or mezcal? If you don't know what some of those words are, then I would recommend checking out Flavier because it has everything you need to buy the greatest gift for your dad. So let's hop on over to Flavier's website and I'm gonna explain just a couple of things because it's a little bit confusing at first shot here. But let's dive in and I'll show you a little bit more about how Flavier works. I'll show you the box that I got and then hopefully answer all your questions you got. So the first thing you know is they have a limited Father's Time deal going on right this second. An extra bottle of bourbon comes with a membership and you save a little bit of dough. A 3-month membership, which is $110, which is what I tried out, and I think it's a good gift option too. But it has 2 products. It has 1 tasting box and 1 full-size bottle. I'll show you right here. I got you a good full-size bottle here. Full-size bottle here. Nicely wrapped, of course. This is a bottle of Dickel Tennessee bottled in bond whiskey. Haven't tried it out yet. I'm actually gonna try it out this Father's Day with the other dads in my life, at least a couple of them. And then it comes with a cool tasting box. Let me show you that real quick. Here's a tasting box. Let me open it up. Comes in this really cool box. Isn't that pretty sweet? It says, "You've got this to try. Pull up for the coaster and notes." It's pretty stinking cool. So first it has this coaster that's on top that you can use wherever you're having your drinks. Ooh. Here's the coaster. It's pretty nice. It's really nice. And it says, "How to taste spirits like a star. Spirits are enjoyed in all kinds of ways, but there's some general rules you can't go wrong with. Dive deeper at flavier.com/tasting. Oh my, a new rye is looking extra fly." So that's pretty cool. There's a little bit more about each one of the, oh, these are even cooler little, oh, awesome. Different little coasters for the different ones that you have. That's pretty awesome. I like that. That's really cool. And then in the back, does it tell you what it is? What does it say? Oh yeah, tells you what it is. Like Frey Ranch Straight Rye Whiskey on this one. So you put the different little tasters on there, and you can try them out. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's a really good idea. All right, so it says, "You've got to try this." That's pretty cool. I like that. Let's open it up. That's cool. Like there should be theme music or something. Oh, that's really cool. It's got the different little whiskeys to try. Explains what they are on the coasters. This just says A, B, or C. That is pretty stinking cool, isn't it? I like that a lot. It gives you a chance to try things you've never known that were possible. So here's what you do. It's really easy to, and I'm not going to review the alcohol here, right? Because everyone knows what booze tastes like. Here is how to select a gift membership. It's really easy. You hit gift a membership. Then you choose what kind of gesture you want. Thoughtful, generous, grand. I recommend either going with the thoughtful or the generous. I mean, the grand gesture is quite a bit. I save a little bit of money if you do get the generous one. You get 8 free products. I recommend getting either the thoughtful or the generous gift membership. They're actually the same thing. They're both delivered quarterly. The thoughtful membership is just one that is delivered once for 1 quarter. The generous membership is the same thing. It's just you get it for 4 quarters. And so the cool thing is you save a little bit of money, save $35 if you get the middle one. But you also get access to 8 products. Once again, that is a tasting box every quarter and a bottle on a quarterly basis. You can mix and match. You don't have to get whiskey for both the tasting box and for the bottle. And they have a lot of really fun different options. They have things like the one I got was called Renaissance, like Rhine and like Renaissance. That's what they got. They have things like Liquid Gold, which are different kinds of not whiskey. What is that? That is different kinds of rum, maybe. They have different whiskey. They have a Flavier Welcome box. They have a hybrids spirits box. They have the Secret Flavors of Japan box. They have all kinds of different boxes that are super unique. And then you get to pick a bottle on top of that. So ideally, you'd be able to taste, 3 or 4 or 5 little things here first and then pick which one of those you want. That's not the way it's set up, but it's still super fun. I can't wait to try this out on Father's Day. And it's just a really great gift because you can give it right now and not have to worry about, hey, are they going to get it in time? Are they going to be there to sign for it? They can set it up themselves. They can pick exactly what they want, and you don't have to worry about even knowing what they like. Almost any guy that drinks anything would appreciate this kind of gift because it's thoughtful, it's unique, and they do have some things that are ready-made that you can buy, and they'll ship them to you or ship them as a gift, like this grilled and distilled box. It's pretty cool. It's got a whole bunch of different tasters of whiskey, and it has some different things for actually grilling. They have a cookbook, some spices, some sauces. Really cool, innovative ways to have a great gift. And once again, you can buy it right now, have it email them because they're gonna have to pick out what they want anyway. And it's a win-win for everybody because you get to pick a cool gift, they get to pick exactly what they want and try something they normally didn't. But for $110 is what I think the quarterly gift membership is. I'm gonna try it and I might get it again just because I enjoy trying new kinds of things, especially whiskey for some reason. I love TX whiskey. If you ever come across that, check it out. I love it. But you have any questions or comments about this Flavier review? It was a little confusing for me, but you just have to buy the gift, then they select it, and they get it shipped to their house. Pretty easy. It can be a little confusing if you're trying to figure out everything else out, but if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below, and I hope to see you again real soon.